Okay, everybody, let's start this all over because I started coughing right off the bat. Um, I'm just going to, I probably should be in the middle here. I'm set up at home because I can't see to drive. It is permanent, so your girl's kind of depending on everybody. I'm going to start with this and then I'll move to the jewelry. I did have a person come by. It's hard when you live, this is it. I'm out in the country. Cornfields, pastures, this is my life. So, I'm sorry, you're going to hear me cough. I have all kinds of goodies, lots of quarter stuff, dollar stuff, everything's meant to go. I've had one person made $36. I did buy something from her because she goes to sales and auctions, that kind of thing. I'll show you that at the end. I got a pretty good deal. There's only 3 in here, but I love these glasses. Vintage Tupperware, pretty. And all the crafting stuff and everything in these totes are $1 a piece, or fill a bag for $3. And there's a lot. And I still have more in the truck. I'm just out of breath and I can't do any more. So, now let's come over here. I have all this stuff here. All they have to do is say, what do you want for this? And I'm going to give them a really cheap price. Lots of paper plates. Back from my dumpster diving day. Some really old. You're going to hear Alan mowing. Crochet needles. And I used to make this. Anyways, pretty cool. Set of blackout curtains. That goes 1. And then I have 8 of these. I thought there was only 6. There's 8. And they're the little plastic mugs for $3. And then I have all these t-shirts that I've made years ago. There's a couple of guy t-shirts, different sizes. They're brand new. I did the transfer, all that, and then, did the whatchamacallit on them. Different sayings and things for $2 a piece. All these clothes are brand new from back when I used to buy from, I think it was called Bulk, B-U-L-Q. I used to buy huge case lot things for like next to nothing. And all these clothes would have been in them. And this is nothing. I sold a lot of stuff that I got from them. I have jeans and everything. So I have some of my coat koozies out here. I don't think they're going to sell, but I did put some out. Jewelry wise, of course, I forgot to have Alan take them back and air hose them off. Okay. Whatever. I had a spill. Things went tumbling. So, some of these you've seen on videos, some of these you have not. These turned around. I have them all reasonably priced, as you can see. That's the amethyst butterfly. Yeah, like I said, everything took a tumble. This is all done with pearls and glass pearls and shell pearls. Selenite. It's the last one of those I have. Tiger's eye. Amethyst. Another tiger's eye. And then we have all kinds of goodies down here. This kind of took a tumble, got twisted. This is gorgeous. These I made myself. I need to like wire wrap some more copper around that. I have some copper wire, I might do that. He's actually backwards. It's just the way he's hanging. He's not actually on there backwards. He just keeps twisting around. Over here, he's hiding. The colors on that is gorgeous. This is a wrap. Oh, I actually have 2 selenite, so I do have more than one. I have one of these left. There's a little gold angel in there. Okay, let me get up. This is my $1 rack. I have bracelets. I need to bring the prices down. I'm just so worn out. These are still in their little cases just to keep them from not tangling so quickly. These are kind of hodgepodge at the moment, but they untangle very easily. The wind is just blowing them into each other, so. And then I have my fruit. I have an array of bracelets. I have Larimar with Zuni bears. They're on her upside down, but that's okay. And then I have my Pixu Inu bracelets. I have a necklace that matches that somewhere. This is a wrap, but it's kind of heavy for the wire it's on. Over here, they're kind of being blown by the wind again. But that's okay. People can come and look and shop. Let's come over here. I have this rack. Probably should have slowed down. I'm just giving you a gist of what I have and how I'm set up. Like I said, I live so far out in the country that, you know, getting people to come out here is very difficult. Get him situated a little better. I have the pens. Let's walk around the other side. I got this from Jupina, and I need more. This is fabulous. Another piece of Larimar. Both of my racks took a spill. Really bad. And one piece did break. Over here, I have glass of the Jupiter. I'll have a cup here with these on it. I don't know if you can see that that's a fox. Now I just have stuff laying here. And this kind of fell over. And so that's kind of my setup. Yeah, that's it. So I guess I didn't show you that I have these you know, that you hang on the wall. I still have things that I didn't put out. It just is what it is, guys. So it's just a little short video. I burnt my mouth on my lunch, so like I said, it's hard to get anybody to come to a yard sale out here. And like I said, I'm just trying to make a little extra money. Because I got a lot of appointments, I'm going to have to pay. Hopefully glasses will help, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not liking having to depend on people because I you know. Oh, what I bought. Okay. Get off me, fly. First of all, the faceting is amazing on these beads. Oops, I'm gonna lose a necklace. Let me get it back up there. They remind me of fish. You know, like a bluegill with that blue spot. Aren't they beautiful? And they have a fairly good sized hole, so I should be able to see. I don't know if the phone's going to focus, but that's a fairly good sized hole. So I got 20 beads in total. And they're all different. No two are identical. And I asked her if she would take $30 for them. Or $3, I'm sorry. She wanted me to buy the whole tray from her for $30. Trust me, the other beads and stuff in the tray was not worth it. So, but there are the beads that I bought from her for $3. Can't believe I said 30. So actually I made $36 or $33 today. And I've been open since 9 o'clock. But there you go, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will talk to all of you guys down in the comments below. What do you think of those beads? Aren't they gorgeous? Bye, everybody.